So we have section 9.1, number 17, a system of three equations, and again, we'll try to make a triangle. So I'm going to eliminate the 10x and the 4x. So for 10x, we'll keep equation 2 as is, and then we can multiply the first equation by negative 10 to get opposites. So we'll minus 10e1. So times by negative 10, we get negative 10x. We get plus 50y. Minus 10z equals 0. The x's cancel out. And we add. We get 51y minus 7z equals 0. So pretty ugly, but hopefully it'll work. All right, so let's get rid of the 4x. So I think e3 can stay as is. And then we could probably multiply the first one by 4. 4e1, negative 4. So minus 4 plus 20y, and then plus minus 4z. And then we can go ahead and combine them. So I get 22y, I get minus 9z, and I get 0. So that'll be my new e3. And then my y's are just pretty ugly for the coefficient y's, but that's okay. We can still make the y cancel. So the numbers are ugly, but I promise it'll go fast. I'm just going to multiply the first equation by 22 and the second equation by negative 51. I know it's ugly, but I promise you they disappear fast. So 22 times 51, that'll be 22e2. We get 1122y minus 7 times 22 is 154z equals 0. And then minus 51 times e3, we get minus 1122y. We get plus 459z equals 0. My y's cancel out. And we get 305z equals 0, which tells us that z is 0. It's not arbitrary. The only solution that would make this true is if z is 0. So we get first equation, second equation untouched, and then z equals 0. And then you can just back sub to find y and x. Because it's homogeneous, we might remember what that solution is, because 0, 0, 0 is always a solution. So in this case, it's the only solution. Yeah, I don't want to spell it out right now. How do I spell that? What is it? H-O-M, genius. So 0, 0, 0 is always a solution. Sometimes you get infinite solutions that include 0, 0, 0, but in this case it's the only solution because it's the only way to get 305z equals 0. And you could back sub to confirm that x and y are also 0.